Hi buddy, this is Roxy, and I have some vintage goodies that I wanted to share. I have two friends that find awesome vintage stuff for me, and it's so nice to have because I don't get to certain places all the time. So one friend, she lives on a lake where she and I grew up, and a lot of the neighbors have the little libraries. So she goes and looks at them and finds if there's any vintage books, she gets them for me. So she just got this one. It's really cute. Isn't that cute? Love it. It's so old. It's from the early 1900s. Just imagine how long that's been around. Just a little book. Isn't it cute? So she got that, and then found this. Liked. Her mom's in a nursing home, and some of the residents there take old cards and kind of remake them. So that's kind of fun. And she found this and this great picture of a school, probably a certain grade. Doesn't say. And this one. So these I'll cut up. I love this. And the mittens. Sandwich. Super cute though. But usually what I do is I scan the pages in, and then when I want to cut them up, I'll print them out on like some nice aged paper and use that. Pardon my voice. I'm still a little weak from the pneumonia. But I'm getting there. So these I've got to cut these up, like certain pictures. I found this book, I think at a garage sale, because I wasn't afraid to cut it up. So there's that one. And here's another. Really cute. I love Curious George was so cute. Great story. That'll be fun. Then we got Peter Rabbit. I'm not sure if I found this or somebody else. I think I did. Yeah, I think so. But look at how adorable these are. So cute. I hope you can hear me. My voice is a little weak, but like I said, I'm fighting my way back. And we got Snow White. This is all black and white, but they're really cool illustrations. Great storybook. Oh, it's St. Paul, Minnesota. I didn't realize that. So this must be from Lori, from one of her libraries. This is from Myrnie, my friend Mary. It's gorgeous. Look at these gorgeous illustrations. I mean, just that alone. The paper is really thick. Look at how pretty that is. And whoever had it cut out actually just two pictures. It's really thick. But I don't blame them because they're pretty cool. Like there's one. They're crazy. I love this. this one up here. Must have. At least it's still in there. Pretty. So cool. Beauty mark. There's one cut out. That's pretty. So awesome. This is old. Can't remember. Yeah, 1908. It's like 100 and some years old. Then our friend Jan, he has a incredible eye for vintage. And he has a sale every year. But this year, unfortunately, it's going to be his last year. And we've gone every year for tons and tons of years. So we're going to miss that. But he always has really cool doodads. Like, I thought these were kind of interesting. Not sure what they're for. And then just buttons. These were like a quarter a bag. So I just got what he had. And then some cute paper clips. And this I got at a flea market that Mary had a booth at. But isn't that cool? So I can just tear one out. Got myself a heart. A little heart. Cool. These are from Jan's sale. Really cute. Like a 5 cents, 10 cents, whatever. That's cute. I love that. There's birthdays. I thought this was a booklet, but it's just a cardboard from a shoebox, but it's still kind of a cute, cool thing. This is adorable. I love the color. It's so vivid. Isn't that cute? That's pretty. Totally 70s. Oh, it goes like that. Just got cut. Somebody cut it. Strange. These are cute. That's pretty. This one. Isn't that cute? So that's that. Then I found this. Scrubby told me to get this so I can learn math. That will never happen. But it'd be cool just for some pages to put in journals and whatnot. Then this was, all these were a quarter. Hard time breathing still. I'm getting there. And then these, very 80s. So whatever vintage, I like it. And then I saw this little box. I thought this was cool. You can hang it on the wall if I want, but I probably won't. So there's that.